If you want to sell digital products online, leveraging affiliate marketing, then this presentation is going to be right for you. I'm a full-time B2B affiliate marketer. I do affiliate marketing full-time. I've made a lot of money through affiliate marketing. And in today's presentation, we're going to be talking specifically on how to sell digital products through affiliate networks, global affiliate networks, how to sell digital products online using affiliate marketing and using affiliate networks. Let's jump into the presentation right now. So if you want to sell digital products online, if you want to create and sell online courses and leverage affiliate marketing, in this presentation, I'm going to be going over the entire process. And selling courses has become very popular recently. And another way of saying selling online courses is that term digital products, right? And digital products incorporates many things from podcasts to courses to workshops to seminars to ebooks, even coaching. And digital products has really increased in popularity over the last 5 years. You can see digital products is really an increasing category. More people are interested in selling digital online products. And the reason I like selling digital products and like being an affiliate of online digital products is because the delivery is instant and has that instantaneous delivery. Once you create an online course, you can sell it in an infinite supply, right? You create the online course once and you can literally sell it to people all over the world, and the delivery is instant through the internet. So they're infinitely scalable. Digital products are incredibly easy for affiliates to sign up for. Now, why am I an expert on digital products and affiliate marketing? Well, I am a full-time affiliate marketer. These are some of the different things that I discuss and present about. I have over 54,000 followers on social media. I've generated well over 11 million views. I've helped out thousands of businesses. I'm a top affiliate marketer, and I'm a popular speaker, educator, influencer, networker, connector, podcaster, and social media superstar. These are my different social media channels. And I want to ask the viewer, why haven't you created a digital product yet? If you're thinking about creating a digital product, why haven't you created a digital product yet? Some of the reasons that I hear on why people haven't created digital products is they're hard to sell. So how do you sell them? They're really difficult to sell. Other people say it's not worth their time. Is it really worth it to go out there and sell digital products? Other people say it takes a lot of time to create or it takes a lot of time to do. Other people say it might hurt their brand. Maybe they're a coach or they're a consultant, they're a business owner, and they say, I don't want to sell digital products. That's a bad look. Other people think it will distract them from their current business. It's going to be a distraction. Other people say, I don't want to sell digital products because I don't like buying digital products. I don't buy courses. I don't buy ebooks. I don't buy that stuff. So I don't want to sell them because I don't buy them. Other people don't know which platform they should use. So there's a lot of different online platforms out there, and it's really confusing sometimes on which platform is the best one to sell your products on. So these are some of the reasons that people say that they don't create digital products, so they don't sell digital products. And these are some of my kind of rebuttals to why those might not be good reasons. E-learning as an industry, online digital products, e-learning is going to be a $1 trillion a year industry by 2032. It's growing rapidly, especially overseas. And we're going to show you how to take advantage of all of this global e-learning growth here in this presentation. Other people say they're hard to create. Well, with AI, you can actually create a higher quality course in a shorter period of time, leveraging AI. We can definitely talk about that. People say it might hurt their brand. Well, all these famous people sell digital products online and definitely hasn't hurt their brand. So I don't think it's going to hurt yours either. Other people say it might distract them from their current business. Actually, selling online digital products is an important part of the sales process and generating high quality leads. So by selling digital products, you'll actually increase the amount of people buying your high ticket premium offers. Other people say that's not how they prefer to buy. Well, knowledge has been sold at scale since 300 BC. People in ancient Greece were actually selling scrolls, and the online course or the digital product is really just the updated version of the book. But the online course incorporates different types of content. So the online course incorporates things like video content, multimedia content. It has global reach. So you're not shipping scrolls or books all over the world. It has that instant delivery. And so this online course is really just the updated version of the scroll or the book. And for people who are coaches or for people who are consultants, a lot of people say, well, why would I want to sell courses? I just want to sell my coaching. Well, courses are an important part of the learning process. I say that every coach or every consultant or everybody who sells knowledge needs actually 3 things. Yes, they need coaching, but they also need courses and they also need community. Why do I say this? Well, this replicates the traditional style of education at a university. At universities, you have professors who are kind of like your coaches. You have textbooks, which are your courses, and you have your campus, which is your community. And so this new method of e-learning is really just mimicking the traditional education style, but in an online setting. Now, why are free or paid digital products important? Well, it fits into something called a value ladder. So whenever you interact with somebody, let's say in business, it's very unlikely that they're going to buy your high ticket $10,000 premium level product. But what they will do is download your lead magnet or a free course. So let's say I'm a health and wellness coach. People might not be willing to sign a 6-month coaching package, but they are willing to download my free ebook on how to lose weight. And so I can give that away for free. And with the platform that we're about to show you, you can actually turn that into a lifetime customer. So by giving away free products, you can actually accumulate lifetime customers and potentially earn long-term passive income. We're going to show you how to do that here in a little bit. Then your free product leads them into your paid product. And this is a online course. This is something that's completely passive that can create you passive income, meaning a digital product or an online course has instant delivery. So people download that free course, they find a lot of value, then they're ready to move on to the next step, which maybe is your meal planning guide, or maybe it's your 6-month blueprint that they can download and use themselves. But maybe they download that 6-month blueprint and they're having trouble being accountable. And so in that blueprint, you say, hey, if you need an accountability partner, well, reach out to me, and then you can sell them your high ticket service-based business. And the best people to buy your premium level product is somebody who's already bought your middle level product, right? So who can you market to? Well, you market to all these people who have already actually bought from you, and they are paid customers of yours. And those are much more likely to upgrade into your MVP package. And so that's why I say that digital products supports and feeds in to your higher level core business offering. And it will actually help you generate higher quality leads and actually develop a base of people who are willing to pay for your services. So lead magnets and online courses, these are incredibly good things to have for any online business owner. One, it allows you to productize your knowledge, that physical proof that you are an expert. It is a 100% passive stream of income, truly passive. It gives you something to mass market so you can actually sell to everybody simultaneously on the planet. It works while you sleep. It leads into your higher ticket products. And now I kind of want to give you an explanation of how to sell these courses, essentially, or how to structure your courses. So when I think about selling an online course, I'm always thinking about bridging the gap. People are in a present state and they want to enter into their future state or their future self. And you as a coach, a lot of times people are not buying your coaching. They're buying the transformation. And a lot of times your coaching may be the thing that they think will lead to that transformation, but you can actually sell that course, and that course is complete. It is a complete transformation. The coaching, they have to go through that transformation themselves on a weekly basis. The course, they have the transformation in their hand. And so that course is that transformation, and you can sell that packaged. With the coaching, like I said, the transformation is not immediate. The transformation starts at the first coaching call and continues to have work. With a course, people can buy it and they immediately feel transformed because they have that course and they have that potential right in their hands. They don't have to wait for you or your coaching call. Here are some unique elements of great courses. So they always have a unique selling point. So why take your course versus the millions of other courses out there? A lot of great courses have a clear and specific result, and they have a target market, and they address specific pain points. So an example of this would be my TikTok course. My TikTok course is a click-by-click guide to going viral on TikTok in 30 days or less. And so right there, I have a unique selling point. It's a click-by-click guide to help you go viral. So specific, clear, and specific result in 30 days. So I even gave a time constraint. And it's for beginners. So there's a target market. People are beginners. So I'm really kind of cramming all those things into my title to make it really easily marketable. And people can easily identify what this course is going to give them and what's it about. Great courses have video content. When people think about courses, they're really thinking primarily about video content. Great courses have some interaction and engagement. So maybe there's some calls, or maybe there's some training, or maybe there's some group coaching involved. Great courses have continued education. So it's not just you take the course and then it ends, but you give people an ability to continue to learn and expand on that education. There's multiple forms of media. So it's maybe not just video content, but it's video and podcast and downloadables and graphs and charts. And it addresses a variety of learning styles. So there's audio learners, there's visual learners, there's kinesthetic learners. And having that course appeal to all those different types is definitely an element of a great course. And I want also to highlight this, guys, is when you're thinking about making a course, a lot of people get stuck. They think that they have to be an expert at that subject. Well, you don't have to be an expert. And actually, you might be handicapping yourself by trying to be too much of an expert. If you look at this, this is showing the potential audience size of any type of course. So a lot of people should only be creating beginner courses because the beginner level has a much larger market than the expert level. I know a lot of people, they go out there and they want to create an expert level course. Well, the expert you could say category or the expert demographic is always smaller than the beginner demographic because everybody has to start as a beginner. Not everybody makes it to the level of an expert. And so don't try to be, my advice would be, don't try to be such an expert, really create beginner level courses. And then when beginners request those higher level courses, then you can work on creating those higher level courses. But you should really focus on selling to the beginners because the market is usually a lot larger, upwards to 90% larger than the expert market. Now I want to get into how to promote our courses. So we understand kind of how to name our courses, how to structure our courses. Now I want to talk about the platform and how are we going to go out there and actually market and sell our courses, because a lot of people can create a course. It's actually pretty easy if you have the content. What's difficult is the marketing and sales. And so now I want to talk about the marketing and sales. So this is how I recommend selling online courses. My number one method, and this is what we're going to talk about now, is affiliate marketing. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I've made a lot of money through affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is definitely the best way to go out there and market and sell courses. The problems, though, that people have with affiliate marketing is, how do you find affiliates? What affiliate software should you use? How do you manage your affiliates? How do you assist your affiliates in going out there and promoting your products? How do you manage all that customer service? And how do you really incentivize those affiliates to go out there and sell your products versus every other product out there on the market? The second way I would recommend is social media, online events, email marketing, and SEO. But I really want to dive into affiliate marketing. The Great Discovery is a new online platform that is disrupting multiple $trillion-a-year industries. We are disrupting the education and e-learning space. We are disrupting the entire affiliate marketing and network marketing industry. And we're also disrupting how businesses collaborate and do global e-commerce. And what they've done is they've essentially created a global classroom for everyone, where people in any country, in every language, every age, at whatever price they can afford, whatever subject they want to learn, whatever skill level they want to learn it at, what device they want to take it on, or what time of day they want to take it, people in 200 plus countries and currently 160 languages can come together on one single platform and learn from each other. And they're able to do this through an innovative new global e-learning marketplace that is also paired with an incredibly powerful affiliate marketing system that pays affiliates out through a global revenue share model in up to 7 different ways. They're able to do this through this new global classroom concept where you or anybody in the world can host and sell their courses online. So they've created an online digital marketplace where anybody can upload and sell their courses. And now you can actually translate these courses into over 160 different languages and sell them in 200 plus countries. So I'm going to give you a demo of this software. This woman, she actually speaks Chinese, but you'll see the software will then translate her voice into English. So now we can communicate and understand her.
大家好，我叫思绪，我是一名事业和人际关系导师。最近我发现了一个名为伟大发现的平台。这个平台
So that's the original. Now the software is going to translate her voice into English. And notice that it also moves her lips. It has perfect lip sync, so it actually looks like she's speaking English too.
Hello everyone, my name is Siksu, and I am a career and interpersonal relationship coach. Recently, I discovered a platform called Great Discovery. This platform not only allows me to publish and sell.
Now here's other languages as well.
Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Pensée, je suis un coach en affaires et en relations interpersonnelles. Récemment, j'ai découvert une plateforme appelée Grande Découverte. Publié. 皆さん、私はシュウと申します。キャリアと人間関係のコーチです。最近、グレートディスカバリーというプラットフォームを見つけました。Hola a todos, me llamo Pensamiento. Soy un mentor de carrera y relaciones interpersonales. Descubrí una plataforma llamada Gran Descubrimiento. Esta plataforma no solo me permite publicar y vender cursos.
And with this platform, you'll actually be able to use that translation service live through video conferencing. So you could translate your voice in real time and communicate with people in completely different languages all around the world. So with the Great Discovery, we can truly serve all 8 billion people on the planet. And the Great Discovery believes that everybody has something to learn, but also everybody has something to teach. And so the Great Discovery is not only about learning without limits, it's about earning without limits. They've combined an e-learning marketplace with an affiliate marketplace that allows us to not only learn without limits, but earn without limits as well. Now, there are many different ways to get started with the Great Discovery. You could become a content provider, an affiliate, or a learner. But I want to highlight this person who would join the Great Discovery, which is our affiliate. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're interested in affiliate opportunities, like I said, the Great Discovery is one of the most powerful affiliate marketing programs ever created.
And there are many features of the Great Discovery, but I'm going to go over these 5 features here that are most relevant to the affiliates and most interesting to the affiliates. And they involve the global revenue share model that pays affiliates out in 7 different ways. So one is the affiliate marketplace. What is an affiliate marketplace? An affiliate marketplace is a platform that connects product providers with affiliates who promote their products or services in exchange for commissions on sales or leads generated. So essentially, all of us can host our digital products, our courses, our podcasts, our seminars, our workshops, our trainings on the Great Discovery, our digital products. And then every single affiliate can automatically become an affiliate of that product and sell it to people in 160 plus languages in 200 plus countries. So this type of affiliate marketplace and this type of compensation structure has never been integrated into a digital products platform. Now, there's also what are called cross-site commissions. So with most marketplaces, you don't get cross-site commissions. What this means is once you introduce a customer into the platform, if that customer then goes and buys anything else on the platform, you earn a lifetime residual. They become your lifetime customer and you get paid on every future purchase that they make. You also get paid not just on the people that you introduce into the platform, but all the indirect relationships as well. So on the Great Discovery, when you refer somebody, you earn commissions not just on their purchases, but also on the purchases made by people that they refer and on those people that they refer and so on and so forth without limit, infinitely and into forever. And then they reward you through 7 different types of bonuses. The Great Discovery uses a revenue sharing model where a large portion of each sale, up to 70%, is distributed among the affiliates and course creators. This ensures that those who contribute to the platform's growth are rewarded fairly. And one of the bonuses that you can actually get access to as well is the global revenue share. So you don't only get paid on your efforts, you get paid once you qualify on the entire global success of the company. You actually get to earn shares in all company global shared volume. And like I said, there are many other benefits of the Great Discovery. We're empowering all of humanity with knowledge. It's a global classroom for everyone on the planet. It's a global e-learning marketplace. It's a global affiliate program and an affiliate marketplace. This is the 4th generation of Six Sigma that leverages real-time AI voice translation software. They distribute the revenue through a global revenue share model that pays you out in 7 different ways. The Great Discovery is non-disruptive to what you're doing right now, and it's incredibly easy to start. So it's not going to interfere with what you're doing, and getting started with it is incredibly simple. This business is infinitely scalable, and there's no management required on your part. It monetizes global collaboration and networking, and there's dynamic CPI-based pricing adjustments. So the Great Discovery and the courses and the material on it are affordable to every single person on the planet. And like I said, there are many other features of the Great Discovery, which we can go over in a longer presentation, which I will link below. But in summary, what the Great Discovery has essentially done is they've combined the best aspects of many different marketing systems, and they've put it into one powerful software that we can now leverage and use for our business. Now, with most online e-learning platforms or digital product marketplaces, you pay them, they host your course, and it's up to you and you alone to go out there and market and sell it. And hopefully you make more than $100 or $200 a month, because that's how much most of these platforms cost you every single month. And with any other affiliate marketing or even any other network marketing opportunity or multi-level marketing opportunity, you get to sell a product with a team, which is nice because you don't have to do all the work yourself. You have a leveraged position, but you always have to sell somebody else's product. You have to sell a lotion, a potion, a gadget, a gizmo. And when you and your team sell that product, you make a little bit of money. And then there's an affiliate provider who provides you the links, the training, the software, the systems. But the person who really makes the majority of the money in this scenario is the product manufacturer. The person who's actually producing this product makes the majority of the commissions. What makes the Great Discovery so different is that you get to leverage a global network of affiliates, a network marketing-like structure, but you sell your own products and services. This has never been done before. There's never been a system like this that allows the 95% of us to go out there and to leverage a global network of affiliates and get paid on all direct and indirect referrals while selling our own products and services. And so as the product provider, we're not only earning the affiliate commission, we're also earning the royalty on the product itself. And the Great Discovery is just the platform, the training, the system, and the software to facilitate this relationship. So that is an intro to the Great Discovery. If you're interested in getting started, like I said, there are 3 ways. You can become a course creator, an affiliate, or a learner. And I'll put the links below if you're interested in getting started with either one of these. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in getting started with the Great Discovery, you can click on the links below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.